Hey, good afternoon, everyone. My name is John Christian Haong, and today I'll be presenting a demo of our app called Fairy Tree. This app is made to build, view, and explore your family tree. The name we chose is a shortened wordplay of heritage and family tree, hence the name Hairy Tree. My co-developer is out sick today, so I'll be your guide in presenting you the demo of our app. So here we will start with a welcome screen, and first we have to sign up. Here we will type our name, email, and password. And once we're done with filling up these input boxes, we will click sign up. Sign up successful and then proceed. So now we can log in. We will type our email and password. And since I already have an account, just directly log in. So now we're here at the dashboard. First is we have view notifications. Here we can view the reminders and other important announcements. Right now we have anniversary for Evelyn and Thomas for tomorrow. And for the earlier, the ones that we have missed is Henry added an event for Margaret. And Jacob updated Mayor's profile and picture added to Joseph. So we'll go back. Now we will view the family tree. Right now we have a family tree. We have the mother and father, and we have the three siblings. Son, the eldest, the middle, and the youngest daughter. The eldest son has uh, his wife and his children. And also the middle child also has his wife and children, and the youngest daughter also has her husband and her own children. Here we can add a new relative. We'll just input this, and you can also cancel if you need, and go back. Once we're done with filling up these input fields, you can click save, then successfully added to a relative, and it will appear in this family tree. You can also click search and search for someone in the family tree if family tree gets too big. So we go back, can also view the gallery. We have albums for birthdays, reunions, gatherings, and etc. And we also have here recently added pictures. Right now there are no pictures, so it's empty. Life events. Here we will see the some important life events. Like for example, Happy Fiesta, May 1, 2025, which was few few weeks ago. Mm. Sila din importante recording ko yung and also have anniversaries and marriage and death anniversary. Here we can also view the recently added the family tree, and here we can click and view our account. Here we have settings with the dark mode and account settings. Here we can change our email and password for the account, and we also have about section. App info, we have Heritree version 1.0 developers, me and Ray Anthony Leasing. And we also have here basic information, and we also log out button there. Now we're back to the login screen. Thank you for listening to my demo, and that's all.